you're trying to understand how custom requests work and not get scammed, this is something you need to get right bright and early. A lot of people jump into FeetFinder thinking it's just posting pictures, but a lot of our money comes from posting custom stuff. So that's also where we lose time, content, and give it away for free without even realizing it. I'm going to break down in this video how custom requests works on FeetFinder, how to handle buyers professionally, and of course, protect yourself on the platform. Let's start with the basics. On FeetFinder.com, custom requests are when a buyer asks for specific content based on their preferences. They might ask for certain poses, certain sceneries, props, or even short videos. And this is where things shift from foot photography to kind of more freelance work. A buyer finds your profile, they message you with a request, you negotiate price, they pay through the platform, and you deliver and create the content. But here's a very important detail. Payment should always come before you deliver any content. This is how you safely sell feet pics and avoid problems. If you're learning to sell feet pics for money, this is where things start to become more serious, is the custom requests. And why is that? It's because they're exclusive, private, and they're likely paid higher. Uploading photos equals passive income, whereas custom requests equals premium income. This is where many creators start to scale their photos to basic to premium. Now let's talk about the part that nobody warns you about, the most common traps. Number 1, can I see a preview? They ask for a preview and then they never say anything back. Detailed request with no payment. They say all these things about how they're going to pay you and then they never actually do. Another one is endless chatting. They keep talking, but they never commit, so move along. They'll say, let's continue on another app. Big red flag. All of these are attempts to get free content, free attention, or just both. If you're serious about learning to sell feet pics, you need to learn to spot this early on. Rule number 1, no payment equals no content. That means no teasers, no videos, or it's just a quick photo. No. Use your existing content as proof. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. The photos that you have up should already be proof that you're doing the work. Set pricing up front. Don't let them have control of this part of the conversation. What you're selling is yours. Instead say, custom requests are X amount instead of letting them lead the conversation. Keep everything on FeetFinder. This protects your work, your payments, and just yourself in general. Confirm details before accepting. So agree on what you're delivering, how many photos or videos, the length, and the price. All in one so you know exactly what you're delivering. Don't reward time wasters. If someone keeps chatting and they are not buying, then time to move on because your time is part of your work. If you want to take this further, set a minimum price for customs, offer tiered packages like basic, premium, exclusive, limit how many custom requests you take. This makes you look professional and helps filter out the buyers that aren't really there to buy. Custom requests can be one of the best things about FeetFinder or frustrating if you don't set boundaries. Once you understand how it works, you can protect your identity, content, and you can make consistent money. If you want more tips on how to sell feet pics and make money on FeetFinder, then subscribe and keep a lookout for updates on our channel.